Yeah, so we're going to actually go back to Kings Mountain where we have our crew on scene. Again, this was earlier today. We told you about a structure had a person trapped inside. We are just now learning that that was 3 people, a man, a woman, and a child. We're told by a neighbor that the child was 4 months old. Good news is that everybody is okay. I don't think we have confirmation that everybody is out, but we do have confirmation that everybody is okay. So we are now very clearly being able to see that that was a tree that fell on a home of some sort. You can see it almost looks like part of the home is just essentially crushed off to the side. I mean, think about a large tree of this nature essentially falling smack dab on top of your home. So, I mean, it's a hard thing even to prepare for when you have these large trees on your property, because other than doing a tree, what we always call it a tree checkup and knowing whether or not a tree is potentially diseased or dead or something like that, and it really doesn't look like this tree was one of them. This just looks like one of those unfortunate situations where you get a really strong downburst and that allows for those trees to fall down. So very thankful at this point that this man, woman, and child are okay. If our crew on scene continues to get any additional information, we will continue to keep you updated, not just here on WCNC Plus, but of course over on WCNC Charlotte as well.